What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this dissolve text animation like this. And if you would like to create, let's say for your opening video or for the content asset, or if you would like to create it but if you don't have the software yet, or if you have not had the skill yet, don't worry, because in this video I will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Grok AI, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And don't worry guys, because to create this animation is 100% for free. However, if you would like to create this video animation, let's say maybe 5, so you need to wait until the next day to have the chance to create the animation again guys, or it means that you will still have the limitation to create the animation video. But don't worry. And this is the homepage of the Grok AI, and you can start to click this image in, and after that you can start to put your prompt into this section. For example, create the 5 seconds animation of word of text dissolving into the small fading particle just like a dust, and also the text should slowly disintegrate and vanish completely, and also ensure a smooth ethereal dissolution effect guys. And after that you can also make sure this section you would like to create the video, because in this imaging section you can also create the image or generate the image, and you can also change this aspect ratio. And after that you can continue to click this, it's kind of generate button, and after that it will direct you into this section, and this will be the animation we have now. And surprisingly it will also give you the sound. And if you scroll down, you will find the another result or the look, and also you can make it into the animation like this by clicking this play, and this AI will generate this image into the video guys. But again, there will be the limitation. If I'm not mistaken, it was 5, or you have 5 times to create this video animation. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.